So if y'all watched yesterday's video, you know that mom broke down. That being said, it's just me today. And today, also if you're watching yesterday's video, y'all know that today is our last day of wheat harvest in Kansas. With rain coming tonight, they're saying 2 to 3 inches. So we're gonna get this combine greased and fueled and serviced, and we're gonna start cutting. We don't have a trash can. Oh, that just got on the bed. So we're gonna have to improvise. We'll throw that away later. Enemy. Today is a 50 hour, so we gotta do extra grease points today. So if y'all want to know what it's supposed to look like, this is the rotor belt. It goes way back in there in the engine compartment, and that's kind of like a variable speed, that way you can speed up your rotor and slow it down. That belt broke, and when it broke, it took this hydraulic hose and just demolished that. Also, I'm going to guess that seal right there is also bad. This hydraulic hose runs all the way down and goes somewhere. But that's what exploded on Mom's combine. So this is my feed accelerator belt. We have been looking at this every single morning to see if it gets more worse than it already is. We're gonna run it until it breaks. We do have a spare one ready to throw on it if it does break, and it doesn't take that long to throw one on. So we're just gonna run this one until it breaks. Okay, so the main points are done for greasing. I do have to start the combine, raise the header up, and do my roller bearings under here for my draper. We kind of like to consist that in our 50 hour. So I'm gonna put these shields back on and then raise up the header and do those. We got the combine serviced, fueled, all that jazz. And my parking brake is on. Let's go finish the last field of Kansas wheat harvest. So we're almost to the end. You'll see right there, that is the hole that I blew through. So we have, there's 3 passes in between here and there. And then I'm gonna hop over to that side and try to whittle on that and get as much of that as I can. I do have some good news though. Mom got her combine fixed and is headed over here right now to help me finish up the really weedy stuff. But with Mom coming over here, we could probably chew through even more weeds. It's just one combine and that much weeds, that's just too much for the one combine. So with 2 combines, we can probably get through a little more weeds than normal. So Mom's on her way right now with her combine. I'm probably gonna finish up with these 3 passes by the time she gets here. And then she'll come over here and we're gonna try to whittle on that stuff over there. Also this morning, I don't know if y'all can see that, but that is hold on, terrace. Okay, sorry, there was a terrace. 5,000 subscribers that is a huge milestone in my book. For some people, you know, that's small compared to some creators, but for me, that is huge. I don't have words to say of how thankful I am for every single 5,000 of you. That's awesome. Mom is, well, it's dusty, but Mom is coming, and it's still a little dusty, but this is the last pass right here, and then we will go work on that over there. So right now, Dad is kind of cutting out a spot of what is cuttable and what isn't cuttable. So that's kind of what we're doing right now. We're kind of creating a turn row, if you will. We're basically just driving in the middle of the field and deciding what we will cut and what we will not cut. So all of this to my right, we will cut, and over here to my left, we will not cut. It's not me, and it's not Dibs. I'm about to show you. I'm about to show y'all. Hold on. I'm not gonna explain it. I'm just gonna let y'all figure it out. If you know, you know. Just know that it comes straight into this cab like a train and just hits you right in the face. we're gonna get these headers pulled off, and I don't know if we're gonna blow off the combines here or what, but I'll keep y'all updated. Well, that kind of put a squash on blowing these combines off before it rains. That's gonna be interesting. That was Dad in the header trailer and pickup. We're trying to get out of here before it gets even more muddy, so everyone's kind of in a hurry right now. I have my header pulled off, but Mom doesn't have her header pulled off yet because, well, the header trailer, you just saw the header trailer go by. So, but Mom's gonna get her header pulled off, and we're gonna try to get out of here before it rains even more than it already has. So, at what point do you turn on your windshield wiper? Because we all know what happens when you turn that on. All it does is just smear it. At what amount of water on the windshield do you turn it on? Mom doesn't know how to park straight.
I'm making it worse.
Oh man, Mom does not know how to park. That is so funny. Well, we made it back to where we unloaded the combines. This is where we will also load the combines. It is officially done. We are done with Kansas. The next couple of days, we will most likely be cleaning equipment, loading it, and getting it ready to haul to Nebraska. Nebraska is our next stop.
You want to turn master switches off?
But that's going to be it for today's video. Thank y'all for watching, and I will see y'all tomorrow or some other time.